Hello. Welcome back to our business.com channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a tutorial of Homebase's payroll features. And the software can help you calculate hours, taxes, and deductions so you can pay your team accurately and on time, which is super important. So let's get to it. To run payroll, you can start by navigating to the payroll tab on the left rail. I found this overall payroll process to be pretty straightforward since all the employee hours and wage information used to process payroll is already in the system from previous time tracking and whatnot. If you are interested in seeing how Homebase's scheduling and time tracking features work, check out my other tutorials. I've got them linked in the video description. Okay, so simply start by clicking Start Payroll. At first glance, you can see we've got some pre-populated information here since the software automatically pulls in every employee's time card from the previous pay period. Our team members are listed alongside their wage rates, number of hours, overtime, and most notably, their gross wages compared to the last pay period. This is especially useful for employers with hourly employees since payroll is a top expense for many businesses. And with hourly employees, even minor changes or time tracking errors can trip overtime and make these numbers fluctuate. For example, let's say if someone forgot to clock out or they clocked out at the wrong time, you could see that information and quickly zoom into that level of detail to see if it was justified or not. Let's take a look at Luke. By clicking into his account, we can see every single time card that was used to compute his wages, and we can easily see that he has had a few days where he worked overtime. If we needed to make any kind of changes here, we can easily just go and edit that information in the timesheets. Another thing you can do is automatically set up some time off policies. Homebase allows PTO tracking and sick leave policies, so if you have those, you can just set them up and it'll automatically import all of those hours here. You can also include things like paid holidays if you're paying your team for those. And if you have tips, those would automatically be imported here if you have that setting turned on. I didn't have it turned on for this demo, but that otherwise would import here. And if you were manually tracking tips, or let's say I'm not pulling tips and I'm just individually paying them out, I could simply put in whatever I wanted here, and then this will automatically update how much is getting paid out for that employee. I could also pay out any additional earnings or even reimbursements through here as well. So let's say I need to reimburse Ryder $100 for a cell phone plan. I could easily do that right through here. I like that you can ultimately pay out your employees through direct deposit or paper check, or you could even skip payroll for an employee if needed. You also have the option to enter in any kind of note that could either be submitted to the employee or exclusively kept internally. Once you're done verifying this information, you can click Next, and this is going to calculate all the taxes that are withheld from each paycheck. So you can see all of the gross wages from the previous step. And if there are any employee or employer benefit contributions, those can also get configured. So things like 401ks and health contributions would get included here and then would get withheld from the paycheck. Ultimately, you could see the net pay and what the company's contribution is from a tax perspective as well. And then finally, you can see your totals here at the end. After viewing all that information, you can click Next to review your final payroll form before submitting. Homebase will show you how much is going to be automatically withdrawn from your bank accounts. And if you have any manual payments like a paper check, the software won't debit that from your bank account, but it'll tell you when it's done with the rest. From here, it's as simple as hitting Submit Payroll, and then you're done. And once you've submitted payroll, you can view your details again if needed. And you also have the option to download this information as well. So that was all that I had for y'all today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more business-related content. We're always putting out new stuff. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.